Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today is part 3 of our easel making series where we go through the step-by-step process of how we make our A-frame easel. Hope you enjoy it. My name's Eddie and this is East Wing Vintage Woodworking. Starting off just like our other easel projects, we use a template. For this project, we're going to make 2 easels, so we're cutting up the appropriate amount of material. Using the CA glue technique that I've used in my previous videos, I decided to glue all 4 pieces together. This is going to allow me to cut all 4 pieces simultaneously, saving me a lot of time at the bandsaw. This shape is a pretty simple design, making it easy to cut out on the bandsaw. The trick here is to focus on getting as close to, but not touching the line. Now it's time to go to the oscillating sander to start the shaping process. Having all 4 pieces glued together here makes this process more efficient. And since each easel is comprised of 2 pieces, they have to be a mirror image of one another. So this also helps that as well. When this easel is completed, it's going to stand roughly 4.5 inches tall, 5 inches deep, and exactly 5 inches wide. This design will hold decorative plates from 4 inches to 10 inches in diameter. In case you guys are wondering why I'm showing all the footage of the shaping, I really wanted to show you guys the process and how labor intensive making these easels can be. I know it sounds like I'm complaining, but I really do enjoy this. The added benefit is the attention to detail. Setting up the drill press with a 1/4 inch drill bit to cut the holes for the dowel rods. Make sure you use a piece of wood as a backer here so when your drill bit comes out the other side it doesn't cause any blowout. So what happened? I placed my workpiece on the backer board. I knew there was a hole already there, but I didn't think it was in line with the drill bit. Sure enough, when the drill bit went through, it blew out part of the piece anyway. Simple technique here where I'm going to take some of the sawdust, mix it with some glue, create a paste. It'll fill in the imperfection, and when it's sanded, you won't even notice. All right, it's time to separate these pieces, do some sanding before we do any assembling. One thing I want to point out here, when you're using the putty knife to separate the tape, be careful not to gouge your piece. Yes, I've made that mistake once or twice in the past. Starting the sanding process here, this is relatively simple, but just to let you know, I start off with 80 grit, then I go to 150, 220, and end up with 320. As you can see, I'm wearing a respirator here. This level of fine sanding creates a lot of small dust particles in the air, and you don't want to breathe that stuff in. Time to start the assembly process. I'm using oak dowel rods. I know that a lot of woodworkers talk about wood being in short supply and very expensive. I had to go to 4 different places just to find these dowel rods. We're going to cut these dowel rods to 5 inches in length. During the glue up process, one minor detail I want to point out. Be sure to add the glue from the side of the easel that's going to be facing out. This way, when you attach your dowel rods from the inside, it pushes the glue out. This is extremely important because if any glue gets on the inside between the dowel rod and the easel, it makes it really tough to clean up. We all know that glue dries clear, but it'll be very noticeable as soon as you add your finish. I waited till the next day to add the finish. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to purchase this easel and check out our website, I'll put links in the description below. If you look closely here, I had a maple version of this easel already made up and needed to apply some finish, so check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed part 3 of our easel making series. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more content. In addition, feel free to leave a comment as I'm always open to hear new ideas and your suggestions. Thanks again. See you next time on East Wing Vintage Woodworking.